Have you ever wondered what happens when you need to access your money from an investment platform like Nutmeg? We all know the thrill of watching our investments grow, but the real test of any platform is how easy it is to get your hands on your cash when you need it. Today, we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of withdrawing from Nutmeg and see just how easy the process really is. First off, let's talk about the process itself. It's surprisingly straightforward. You log into your Nutmeg account, navigate to your portfolio, and you'll see a withdrawal option. You then specify the amount you want to withdraw. One of the key things to remember is that Nutmeg, like any investment platform, needs to sell your assets to get you the cash. This isn't an instant process. The time it takes can depend on market conditions and the specific assets you hold. Typically, the sale of assets and the processing of the withdrawal can take a few business days. Nutmeg is pretty transparent about this. They give you an estimated timeline right there on the withdrawal page. From my experience, the funds usually land in your nominated bank account within 4 to 6 business days. This is a crucial point. It's not like a high street bank where you can instantly transfer money. You have to account for the time it takes to liquidate your investments. Another important factor to consider is the type of account you're withdrawing from. Withdrawing from an ISA or a pension pot can have different implications and regulations compared to a general investment account. For instance, with a pension, you'll need to be of a certain age to access the funds, and there might be tax implications. So, always double-check the rules for your specific account type. In conclusion, withdrawing from Nutmeg is a simple process from a user interface perspective. The main thing to keep in mind is the time it takes. It's not an instant solution for a cash emergency, but if you plan ahead, the process is smooth and reliable. So, is it easy to withdraw from Nutmeg? Yes, it is, as long as you understand and plan for the time it takes to get your money from the market to your bank account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.